Hey, what's up? It's Derica and welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. So by the title, as you guys can tell, today I'm going to be sharing with y'all my favorite starter lock products. Like everything I love about these products, I use them all the time and I've been using them since I've been on my starter lock journey. So here they are, starting off with the shampoo, which I forgot is in the bathroom. I just washed my hair yesterday. Okay, so I am loving the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Casserole Restore and Strand Shampoo. I've been using it for a while now and my hair actually like it. So yeah, so that's a shampoo I've been using, but my other favorite is the OGX Teatree shampoo, which I still do use it as well. So moving on to another favorite, which happens to be this Heritage Rose Water. And everybody already know when you are in the lock community, rose water is essential. Y'all, I absolutely love this because it takes the place of water sometimes and it makes my hair feel very moisturized, and I love the scent of it. And as you guys can tell, I'm at the bottom, like I have a little bit left. It smells very good and my hair actually like it. At first I thought I would have an allergic reaction, but this stuff is pretty good and it pairs well with the products that I like to use in my hair. So I do use this to spritz on my hair some days. I'm not gonna say weekly, but I do use it whenever I feel the need to and whenever I'm retwisting my hair. So I love this rose water. This is the one that I use. I did get it from Ulta, but I know you can get it from Amazon. All right, so another favorite of mine that you might need in your starter lock journey is this Joy My Gel Styling Gel, which I like. I did get it from Amazon. I did hear a lot of people in the lock community say how much they love it, so I did give it a try and I actually do like it because it gives me that edge control type feel, but it's also moisturizing. So it's kind of like a, you all know how a edge control is, and a little bit goes a long way, and my hair actually like it. It does not flake on me or anything like that, so that's why I like it, and it gives me the hold for the time being. Moving on to another favorite, going to be the Lily of the Desert Aloe Vera Gel, which I did get it from Amazon. Okay, everything comes from Amazon these days, and I'm really surprised about this jelly. So whenever I use this from retwist, it does last and it does give me that hold that I need, and it does not flake or leave it crunchy or anything like that. So I absolutely love this gel for my retwist at the back of my hair. So yeah, the Lily of the Desert Aloe Vera Jelly. I love the consistency of it. It feels just like a gel and a little bit does go a long way. Okay, so moving on to the oils. All right, so as far as my dry itchy scalp, as you guys may know, I did use the Eden Bodyworks Peppermint Tea Tree Light and Refreshing Oil. I love this oil because it gives my hair the relief of that itch whenever it needs to. So all I do is spritz a little bit in my hands and on my fingertips and just rub that on my scalp, and that's it. And it does the trick for the time being. I'm not saying this is a miracle product, but it does get the job done if you have a little itch here and there. So I do use this, and the smell smells just like peppermint and tea tree, and I like it. My hair likes it, and I have not had any issues. But warning, whenever you use this oil, kind of be mindful because using tea tree oil on your hair or your scalp can cause irritation. So I just use it whenever I need to, and most likely it's once a week, and my scalp feels good until like the next wash day. So I use a little bit of this on my scalp whenever I need to. All right, so moving on to another oil is going to have to be the olive oil. Of course, you already know me if you're new to my channel, or if you're not new to my channel, you already know olive oil is my favorite oil because it does not leave my hair feeling itchy or any product buildup, and it's lightweight. It gives my hair that moisture, that shine, and I love it. And as you guys can see, I have a little bit left, which I will get some more. And of course, I got this from Amazon. So yeah, I like it. All right, so the last product, well, oil is going to have to be 100% pure Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Like, my hair loves Jamaican Black Castor Oil. Not particularly Shea Moisture's brand. I've been using another brand's product, but I went ahead and picked this one up and my hair likes it. Of course, you already know Jamaican by Casserole does not smell the best, but it is good for hair growth and thickening of the strands. I like it for my hair, so I did get this from Target. So yeah, all of these products will be linked in the description box below. So I just use this on the length of my hair and around the perimeter, not on my scalp. All right, enough with the products. Now moving on to my favorite, like scrunchies, satin scrunchies for my hair. I use these all the time. Like I did get this from Amazon, duh, of course, and it came with a bag full of different colors. I think it was about 50 colors they have, and I love these because I can put my hair in a ponytail without it leaving like that dent that those scrunchies like leave my hair with dents in there. I use them on my kids' hair, and it just keeps whatever moisture I have in my hair still in my hair, and I like them. They're very gentle on my hair, and these are a must. I've been using these for the last couple of months, and I love them. All right, so another thing that you will probably need in your sort of like journey is going to be some type of hat, some type of beanie to, you know, cover up our hair whenever we having like one of those rough days where our scalp is kind of itchy and dirty and like the frizz has taken over. So I did get this from Walmart a few years ago, and it's just like a satin line little knockoff beanie, which I like it, and I just throw this on whenever I have to go to the store, and yeah, and we good. My hair is still protected because of the satin lining, so I really love this beanie for whenever I want to go out. And yeah, so last thing but not least, you're gonna need a satin scarf or scarf or silk pillowcase, which I do have one as well, just in case she slips off at night. I use this to tie my hair up at night and I go to bed. Very simple. The next morning I take it off, I shake, and I go. So y'all, so that's it for this video. Let me know in the comments below what is some of your favorite starter lock products that you must have and what you like for your hair. And yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do not miss an upload from your girl. All right, I will catch you on my next one.